Welcome to another episode of my World of Crafts. My name is Gladys Ekaime. I hope you enjoyed last episode on how I taught you how to make kitchen door blinds. And I hope that after the class, that was last episode, you were able to make something out of your straws and then your bead. And I also like to know if it's very easy as in for you. I really hope it was anyway. But today, this is another episode. I'm going to be teaching you how to make flowers with your papers. Papers in the sense that different colors of papers, sugar papers and newspaper. Yes, very, very easy, very affordable, for you to get anywhere. So the materials needed to make these flowers for your table decorations are just your newspapers, then your sugar papers. Why I chose to use sugar papers because they come in different colors. You can get them in different colors of papers, the lighter ones anyway. And then you need your brush, your paint brush, and then your gum, the gum to gum everything together. And then you need your scissors. Then the first step is first you cut your sugar paper into smaller pieces like this. I had to measure 18 inches out of my paper, different shades like that. I told you different colors. Then after which you cut into pieces. You cut them into stripes, like strips, like this. You don't cut off, because if you cut off, you have something like this. So you be careful when you're cutting. You cut like that. Like that. Then the next stage is to roll. I'm going to roll my paper with my brush, that's my paint brush. I roll like this. Mainly, I roll like this. Each one at a time. You can even use your broomstick if you don't have the paint brushes to roll. You can use your broomstick to roll the paper. So I'm done with this. I'll also need to roll it around something, and that is where the newspaper comes in. What you do to the newspaper, you've done this now, you put aside, and then you get your newspaper, you fold into two. I want to get this length. You fold into two, then you get your scissors, and then you cut into two, and then you fold again. That's 4. And then you fold again. So I've gotten how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 equal parts from just the whole of one newspaper. Then the next stage is I want to roll my newspaper. I still need my paintbrush, the smaller one. Then you just hold the tip like this. You roll down. Then you roll, and then apply your top bone. The top on gum, sweet, and then come down like that, and then you remove like this. The same goes to the other one. So the next stage is to apply the same glue gum to the paper, the newspaper, the tip where I'm going to start from, and then I just place the cut out sugar paper to it, and then start rolling. Start rolling. I roll just like this until I get to the last stage. Start rolling. So until we get to the last part. To hold it down firmly, you still apply your top bond to this part of it, and then you just close up like this. I've made the red flowers, and then I've also made other colors, but these are the ones I've made, earlier, different colors. I made blue, I made white, I made green, I made pink, like that. But if you want to add more beauty to it, go for other colors like yellow, purple, gray. Like I said, you can get different colors when you go for the sugar paper. And then to add more beauty to it, because I said it's for your table, you can place it on your dining table, you can place it in the sitting room, on your table, anywhere in the room, to add beauty, to it. You need a vase, and then that's where we are going to be learning how to make the paper vase, using also the sugar paper to make the flower vase. So yes, you'll be wondering, can you make a vase with papers? Yes. Come join me next week, then you'll know, and then you see for yourself that yes, it is real, that you can really make flower vases with paper, as in using sugar papers with it. So until next week, and I hope you practicalize on all this at home, and then to make beautiful things for your home. Thank you.
Soul TV.